What is the value of the expression 8 plus 8 divided by 4 times 2 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's break it down step by step together. In the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the expression 8 plus 8 in the numerator of this fraction and replace the whole expression with 16 divided by 4 times 2 over 2. In the next step, they move on to the division between 16 and 4 and simplifying the expression to 4 times 2 over 2. Then, they say the 2's in the numerator and denominator cancel each other out, and the final answer will be 4. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. But it's absolutely wrong. Now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this question. To solve this expression, we must strictly follow the steps outlined by the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to carry out all the operations from top to bottom in order. Okay, as you can see in the image, in the numerator of this fraction we have an addition sign, then a division, and then a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must perform multiplication and division first, because they have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is start from the left side of the expression and carry out the multiplication and division step by step. So, first we go for the division between 8 and 4, and we can write the whole expression as 8 plus 2 times 2 over 2. In the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 2 and 2, which simplifies the expression to 8 plus 4 over 2. Finally, we handle the addition in the numerator and simplifying the expression to 12 over 2, which ultimately gives us the answer 6. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment, and to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.